Of my son's Polo, there's a fault with the ABS. Before you start investigating faulty wheel sensors, I'm going to show you very quickly one of the most common problems with these Polo 9Ns, which causes an ABS fault. What you may not know is that inside the lid of the battery box is a small fuse box. Open the battery cover, unclip one fuse box. And it's a particularly common problem that these links are susceptible to vibration from the engine and road vibrations and can break. This fusible link is cracked. Using a voltmeter, or you could use a test light, connect one side of your test light or voltmeter to the battery earth. On this side, as you can see, we're getting 12.5 volts near enough. Onto this side, nothing. So that means that that fusible link is definitely broken. 10mm socket or spanner. Got myself a small box of link fuses. Having selected the 40 amp fuse from the packet, drop it over the screw terminals like so. Put the cable back and the nut on the other end. Hand tight. Do not use an ordinary piece of copper wire, potentially that could cause a fire. Put the cover back on the battery, slot the hinges back into place. They're simple little keyhole slots, and fold the battery cover back into place. Make sure that it clips over the fuse box at each end. Well friends, I've just driven the car to the end of the road and back. Once I've gone over 10 miles an hour, the ABS light has gone out. Turn on the ignition again. As you'll see, the ABS light comes on and then goes out exactly as it should do.